To tell you a little bit more about our new EX6 framing square. So traditionally when you're on a job site, you see guys with two sizes of framing squares, a 7-inch square and a 12-inch square. And that's because you have different size lumber when you're framing a house or a building. But this square, instead of having to carry two different size squares, does the same work in one compact package. So here I'm going to mark a 6-inch piece of timber, a 2x6, no problem, just like a traditional square. But then I can flip this out, and that allows you to mark large scale timber up to 2x12s in the same way. On top of that, we have these grooves where you can get your measurement and do ripping marks. And you can do everything else you can do with a regular speed square with the new EX6 from Crescent.
How much is that?
This is going to be on sale for $19.97, and it's already available now.
Great.